Homemade multifunctional super stove that lasts for hours. Just this, and I never spent money on gas again. And to start, grab a can. We'll need to cut the bottom of it. So for that, I'm going to use a utility knife like this one here, and a piece of wood to support it. Do it exactly as I'm doing, and you'll have a precise cut. Once that's done, just apply a little pressure with your hand, and the can will split in half. So we'll need another bottom like this to be able to do the trick. Repeat the same process with the other can. Finally, we'll have the two pieces we need to make our portable stove. Then, with the help of a pen, we'll make the markings where we'll drill the holes. Mark it like this, and on the top part as well. With the help of a drill, we're going to drill very carefully using a thin bit. It will look like this. Now, grab a screwdriver and widen the hole that was made in the middle. Then, repeat this same process so that the stove fits perfectly. Our stove is almost ready. All we need now is to put the fuel in it, which is a little piece of cotton and a bit of alcohol, just to moisten the cotton. First, take the top part and slide it in. See, it's really easy. To make it even better, use a coin like this so that the fire spreads evenly, just like a stove's. Just put a little bit of alcohol in a metal cap. Now just light the lid first, and then place our homemade mini stove on top of the lid. Now just wait a few seconds, and the fire will light automatically. It's simply amazing. Just this little bit of fuel can last for 4 hours without going out and at full power.